Hey guys, it's Archer. Today we'll be playing low scale and with adon. I'm trying to type, so yeah, I'm finally doing this on the computer because I'm too laggy on the tablet. And so if you guys want to help me with how the recording correlated for the recording stuff to be better, can you teach me how I could record better and without it being without the video uploading becoming delayed? Yeah. That was my line. Okay, I'm gonna put it towards the chat. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that little so. Okay, you're lucky I am not me. Yeah, we do have some bad news for adon and good news for me. It has something to do with After FNAF. I know you guys don't like After FNAF. So After FNAF is getting cancelled, sadly. Oh, well, that's good. It'll come back. Sorry to you, After FNAF fans. Is no fans. I think that no one likes After FNAF. If you like After FNAF, comment save After FNAF if you want. Oh, little. Only 17 views. Well, only under under 7 views. For some reason adon calls After FNAF popular with 7 views. You called it the best video on the planet with lots of likes. Oops. With lots of likes. Do you guys know how much likes does After FNAF get? 1 to 0. That's basically it. Okay. So yeah, this is gonna be a new series called train series. We should really get a name for that. But okay. Okay, here it goes. Put the camera on Conrail now. Camera. This should be our intro, but wait, never mind. I don't want to record every single crap of adon's thing. Hey, no, this is adon's train. Wait, adon's train. Oh, that's probably sound like a good name. Adon's train. Okay, boom. Adon's train. Dun 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 dun. Adon's train. Adon train chugging on the ground, and I don't know how to make a sound. That's what I only came up for. That's it. Adon's train. Chucky Tins. Roger that, over. I'm gonna get a train. Oops. Wee! Oh shit, gonna crash. Oh god. That was so, I'm so lucky. Okay, so we're going to get, oh yeah, if you, I will play Bed Wars too. I would love to play Bed Wars for you guys on YouTube. And I guess I'll get special trains here. Okay, so these are the options. Old train, C-car, track mobile. I would get the, I don't know what these are. I'm just gonna, well, I forgot to put the engine spawner backwards or something. Okay. Okay, that's it. I should come look at Littles. I think Little was only in one of my videos. Oh god, how to exit. Okay. Little's train. Ooh, that looks nice. For real. It looks nice. For real, it looks nice. Little, your train. Look at these coaches. They look nice as heck. What did he say? He said, I know, time to reverse now. Yeah, reverse. You're gonna crash into Little's. You're gonna try to crash into Little's beauty train right here. I call it beauty because it looks nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to getting my train. But first I need to get rid of this little poop. Yeah, that little poop. Okay. So I think I see. I need to go find the address of the train. Okay. So find the address, and this is what I do with the trains that I don't need. I just let them go forward, and when they do, they will go over here, switch their tracks, and that's where they end up. Hey, why aren't you going, you big fat dummy? Do I just need to? Oh yeah, there he goes. Have fun. And I'm gonna get some milk. Yeah, I'm gonna get some milk. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to press stop, and I'm gonna get another train. Special, spawn reverse. Oops, spawn reverse. Engine spawner, and I go to this one. Yeah, that same train, I think. Okay, exit, and exit, and exit. Finally. Okay, so now we got to go get my thing, something, and then have to go find the address of the train, and you just click on it, and boom. Okay, if you guys never played this game, so basically, to get a train, you got to press find address, or find add and RS. That just means address. So all of these things like DCC address and this number should pop up. And what you could do, you could type in the address, or you could tap on it. And what is easier is just tapping on it. Can I get those? Okay, I'm just asking that because Adon wants this roleplay to go his way. I'm okay with it. I actually misspelled that, but okay. So this is my train. Okay, and now the other thing is, is when you get your train, this little circle manage the speed of your train. So for example, if you press reverse, and you put it in the, like on 0 it goes slow, but if you put it at 100, it'll go fast. And there's a speed limit to it. If you press forward, it's basically, yeah, it's basically kind of like the same thing. Instead it just goes forward. Okay, and don't crash into other trains. Don't steal people's other trains. And it'll be annoying to other people. Unless they are being annoying to you, then you probably have the rights to be annoying to them. That's what I do. You don't have to believe me. Okay. So I'm going to go switch the tracks. And here I go. Forward. I'm not really tutorialing right now, so yeah, I'm just teaching basics. If that even is a basic. Okay. Switch tracks. Okay, so now I need to go spawn a train. I'm in a cargo. Here we go. Audio racks, box cars, flat cars. What gondola? Well, I'm just kidding. I don't know. What this thing is called? Hoppers, stack cars, and tank cars. I think I like tank cars. Let's do black. Okay. Okay, reverse. Yeah, I'm gonna get one car. Oh, that was hard. Okay, now I'm gonna go full speed. Let's hope Adon doesn't find out and then gets mad. Okay, so if you're on a computer and you want to know how you need to run fast in this roll scale game, you got to press control. Yeah, if you just press control, then you run like this. I'm running super fast like Sonic. See, it's Little and Adon. His display name is Noob. I like it. Okay, so here goes my train. Clickety clack on the track. Okay, so we're at the yard we're at the place that they always like to hang out. Oh, gotta stop the train. Okay. So this is a roleplay, I think. He said it's gonna be a roleplay. What would you do? We're just playing. I could try to do some ASMR if you want me. I would do ASMR. Okay, so what do you want me to do? I am here. Oh yeah, the creator of this, if you're watching, the creator of this game, if you're watching, if we do a runaway, please do not ban Adon. Just please do not ban him. Wait, did he even read the rules of no runaway trains? I'm gonna ask him that later. Okay, so I need to stop the train. So what Adam wants me to do, he doesn't want me to press the stop button completely. He wants me to slow skip my cars. Okay, back and front. Or front. Oh, I accidentally said fronty. Okay, I'll just go front. It's kind of close. Kiddo. I'm probably a shunter engine. Get the long train. Can we reverse? Slowly, so he doesn't get mad if I accidentally crash the train too hard. Okay, I got it. I just press stop because he probably doesn't know, but he's gonna watch the video. And who cares? Okay. I got in the long train. Little farted, you stinky boy. Oh, I forgot to show chat. Okay. You stinky boy, why did you fart? This was like KFC. smells like KFC. Did you eat KFC or something little? I could clearly smell a fried chicken bucket coming out of your butt. Okay, and he thinks we're sus. Great. Thanks, little. Thanks a lot. Well, I shouldn't have said that. Okay, so now what do he want me to do? Does he want me to pull this freaking train? Reverse? He wants me to reverse, okay. Oh, for his train.